friends. Welcome back. This is Meredith from An Open Home. Today I am making a really quick video to show you how I make my yoga mat spray. I use this when I don't want to clean my yoga mat real well with soap and water. I use this when it just needs a little bit of a refresher. I just spray it on there after a good yoga session and I'm good to go. It's really simple and it just takes a few minutes. I think you're really gonna like it. For my quick and easy yoga mat spray, the first thing you need is 8 ounces of filtered water. To that, add 1/4 cup of witch hazel. The witch hazel will aid in a quick evaporation after you spray your mat. You'll also need to use a blend of antibacterial and disinfecting essential oils. I like to use 15 drops of lavender oil. I also add 10 drops of tea tree oil and 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. Together, not only do they help clean your mat, they have a really relaxing scent. It smells actually like you're in a spa. Blend to combine, then pour into a 16-ounce bottle. My bottle is actually a tiny bit small for this recipe, so I tend to have a little bit left over that I save for next time. If you're anything like me, you'll find a funnel pretty handy here also. I do tend to spill. Don't forget to add a sweet little label so you know exactly what your spray is meant for. After your next routine, just give your mat a few quick sprays for a great scent and easy disinfection. And that's it for my homemade DIY yoga mat spray. I hope you make up a batch and enjoy it as much as I do. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making a lot of videos in the next couple of months and I don't want you to miss any of them. Some will have corresponding posts on my blog and some will be brand new. I will be linking to the original post about the yoga mat spray down below, plus any ingredients that I can find so you don't have to go looking for them. Thanks a lot for stopping by and I'll see you next time.